Hello and welcome to iTimePlus. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the shift scheduling tool. If you haven't already set up your company, we recommend you do that first before watching this video. Let's get started. First, log into your account, then click on Shifts in your toolbar to view the shift schedule. Select a team from the drop-down menu to view the schedule for that team. Now, let's set up the shift schedule. Go to Shift Settings under the Admin Controls in the toolbar and click on General Settings. Here you can change the default values for the Shifts toolbar to whatever works best for you. Note that changing the time increments from a lower to a higher value will cause the existing shifts to appear incorrectly. Now, let's create our team. Choose a team from the drop-down menu, then add users to that team by clicking on the Create button and adding the user's information. If the user belongs to another team, you will not have to enter all their information. Each user will receive an email once they have been added to the team. Now, go back to Shifts and you can see that the users have been added. Now let's create a schedule for Sam. First, make sure the new Edit Shift is checked in the toolbar, then click on Sam's row. A box will pop up allowing you to create his shifts. You can select the time period, set the days of the week he will work, change the shift color, set the start and end times for his shift, and set the rest times. Notice how the gap row changed color in real time. The red shows the gap including the lunch hour. Orange color is based on the alert level and is used as a warning. Let's create another shift for William Smith. Notice how the gap row changed color to reflect the new shift. Since the alert level is set to 1, the orange color shows where the shift is covered by one person. When the gap row shows white color, that means that your shifts are covered securely. If you want to limit your gap hour ranges, go to Shift Settings under Admin Controls and select Calendar Team Hours. Click on Create, choose a team from the drop-down menu, and set the start and end dates. Now go back to the shift schedule. All hours outside of the business hours are marked in gray. You can view the schedule in a 12 or 24-hour format, daily, weekly, or monthly by changing the format in the toolbar. If you don't want to see the hours outside of your business hours, go to the Admin Controls and click on Shift Settings. Select General Settings, go to the Display option and choose Business Hours from the drop-down menu. We will also change the gap alert level just to show you an example. Since the business hours are from 8 to 5, we should have made the end time 6 p.m. To fix this, go back to Calendar Team Hours, Click on the pencil icon next to the team and change the business day end time. Holidays are shown in a dark green color. The gap colors have also changed based on our gap alert level. To change it back to 1, go back to the admin controls, go to Shift Settings, General Settings, and change it from the drop-down menu. Notice how the gap colors have changed. If you want to add more shifts based on existing ones, use the Duplicate Shift feature in the toolbar. Click on Duplicate Shift, click on the shift you would like to extend, and extend the date in the To box. Once you save, the shifts will have been added for you. It's that simple. If you want to figure out what would happen if one of your employees called out sick or left for a holiday, all you have to do is click on the checkbox under Hide. New gap calculations will automatically be made based on your click. This will save you a lot of time and effort. If you would like to exclude a team member from showing up on your schedule, go to Team, select a team from the drop-down menu, click on the pencil icon next to the user you would like to exclude, and check the box that says Exclude from Shift. Now go back to Shift, and the employee will be excluded. And that's it. If you have any more questions, please let us know at support@oropex.com or check out our other tutorials.